The 3-step formula for financial freedom from zero to your first million. Everyone gives confusing money advice. Forget it. Here is the simple, powerful truth, distilled into 3 core steps. 1. Obsess over one thing, not everything. The worst advice for beginners is diversify. You don't diversify to get rich. You diversify to stay rich. Every massively successful person started by putting all their eggs in one basket and watching that basket obsessively. Jeff Bezos sold only books. Mark Zuckerberg focused on college students. Your first million comes from mastering one product, one platform, one customer group. Success is built on focused obsession, not scattered efforts. Find the one thing that works and scale it relentlessly before you even think about expanding. 2. Build freedom first, riches second. You don't need to be rich to be free. Financial freedom is simply having your basic expenses covered by passive income. This is a 10-step ladder, while becoming rich is a 1,000-step climb. Start with the easier climb. One person achieved this by renting out her apartment and moving somewhere cheaper. The rental income covered her costs. That freedom gave her the time and mental space to build a business. First, create enough passive income to cover your essentials. Once you're not chained to a paycheck, you can focus on building wealth. 3. Acquire assets, not liabilities. Wealth is built by one simple rule: buy assets. An asset puts money in your pocket like a rental property or a profitable YouTube video. A liability takes money out like a fancy car on credit. Most people fill their lives with liabilities, thinking they're assets. Your goal is to constantly build your asset column. This doesn't always require a huge capillary digital asset, like a video can be created once and earned for years. Treat your money as life energy. Every dollar you spend represents hours of your life. Would you trade 2 days of your life for that jacket? This mindset changes everything. The mindset that unlocks it all. These steps only work with the right foundation. Think big, then act. If you can't picture $5 million, you'll never build it. Your vision shapes your future. But thinking alone is useless. You must do. Reading Think and Grow Rich won't help if you never take action. Value your time. If you spend an hour to save $10, you value your time at $10 an hour. Wealthy people focus on making their hour worth $1,000, not on pinching pennies. Create your own luck. Luck is the result of massive action. The person who views 100 properties will find a great deal. The one who views 10 won't. More action equals better luck. Become the person first. To earn $10,000 a month, start acting like someone who already does. Your changed mindset and behavior will attract the opportunities to make it real. Forget complex plans. The path is clear. Focus fiercely on one income stream. Use it to build a foundation of passive,